wiper blades on this 2024 Toyota Corolla. All you really need is a flathead screwdriver, a small one. Of course, a brand new set of wiper blades, whatever brand you want. So all you gotta do is basically squeeze your screwdriver in here, pop this little cover open like that, and then you push down on your wiper blade like that. Right, twist, get the arm out of the way and get it out. And then to put the new one in, open real quick. To put the new one in, it's basically the same thing. You squeeze it in there, and then this type of wiper blade that I got, of course, it looks different. This is OEM, so that's why I say whatever brand you want to get. You hear it snap, and that's it. Do a pull test on it, should be good. So now let's go ahead and move to the driver's side. Same thing, pop this clip open, open it like this, and push down, get it out the way, get the new one in. Push it in, you hear it snap. You can do a pull test on it, make sure it's good. And just like that, you got yourself a new pair of wiper blades. Simple enough. You know, dealers charge a lot for this, so hope I was able to help you. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.